I was looking for a laptop for working on the go, na pwede din pang gaming. Not necessarily bagong model, just something that checks all my boxes. Luckily, our friends from ASUS Philippines hooked us up with this. Hi guys, my name is Joseph from Davao Geek Hub, and this is my unboxing and impressions of the ASUS TUF Gaming A15 gaming laptop. If you are new to this channel, do consider subscribing. I post unboxing videos as well as other tech related videos. And don't forget to tick the notification icon to get updates when I upload new videos. Opening the box, we find the laptop itself. Along it is the user guide and warranty booklet. And of course, may kasama ding charging brick. Depending kung saan nyo nakuha yung device, you'll also get freebies like a gaming mouse and or a laptop bag. On my case though, walang freebie. Now let's check out the design of the laptop. Here's the TUF Gaming A15. This is the FA5006 and F model by the way. It's also the graphite black variant. Yung outer shell niya is made of metal for military grade durability. We have the TUF Gaming logo in the middle. At first I thought umiilaw to pero di pala, which is perfectly fine. Yung part naman dito sa gilid is textured, which I personally don't like. Mas prefer ko yung simple and minimalist na design, no unnecessary frills. Yung Eclipse gray variant is much cleaner looking in my opinion. Yung ilalim din is textured but I don't mind it. I also like the look of the intake vents as well as the exhaust vents dito sa likod. By the way, may cutout din siya dito like the former designs. It has the TUF Gaming branding here as well as the LED indicators, which you can still see when opening up the device. The A15 also has chiclet keyboards with a standard layout na may numpad. Personally, I would have preferred without the numpad since di ko naman ginagamit. Mas centered na din yung typing position ko without it. But that's just my preference. I'm sure very useful yung numpad sa iba. Makikita din natin na ang W, A, S, and D keys are transparent. It's accentuated for gaming. The keys will also be lit up with ASUS Aura Sync RGB. And of course, ang touchpad is located dito sa baba. Right above the keyboard naman is the speakers. It sounds decent and loud, but medyo hindi malawak yung soundstage niya for me. Okay lang for gaming though, since I usually use a headset or earbuds. For watching videos or listening to music naman, the built-in speaker sounds okay, but better if you use an external speaker. For the display naman, it sports a 15.6-inch IPS screen with up to 144Hz refresh rate and adaptive sync support. It also has anti-glare para maganda yung image quality kahit anong viewing angle. For ports, we have a USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A port sa right side. Sa left naman, we have two more USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type A ports, as well as one USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type C port, which also supports DisplayPort. Meron ding 3.5mm combo audio jack, HDMI 2.1 port, RJ45 LAN port, and ang power jack. Now under the hood, it's powered by a Ryzen 5 7535HS and an NVIDIA RTX 2050, which should be more than enough para sa usual task ko, even with photo and video editing. It should also be enough for casual gaming on the go. Lastly, it has 8GB of DDR5 RAM and 512GB of PCIe SSD storage. Now based only sa initial usage ko, I think this laptop fits as a daily mobile workhorse. Actually, perfect siya for students, young professionals, even for creators na gusto rin mag-gaming on their free time. But if you're still apprehensive, I'll write an in-depth review about the laptop para you'll have more information if you should get the laptop or not. If you are interested in getting the TUF Gaming A15, it's currently priced at 47,995 pesos and is currently available at ASUS concept stores and retailers nationwide. You can also get this device as well as other TUF gaming laptops in a special bundle for the ASUS and ROG Cool for School promo. You can read more about it on the link in the description box. That's it for my unboxing and impression of the ASUS TUF Gaming A15, FA506 and F. Hope you found this video helpful. If it did, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. And if you are interested in the in-depth review, the link will be posted in the description box below when it gets published. This has been Joseph of Davao Geek Hub. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.